Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Neil, Pentatonic Way, and here for Steal Some Licks, I have a cool way to get more out of your pentatonic scales, especially if you're jamming over a vamp. Like if someone's just jamming a vamp that's kind of like for like 5 to 10 minutes, you've been there, and you're like, oh my God, I've run out of pentatonic licks here, Jim. You're just going and going. This is going to save your butt. And it sounds really cool. It's taken me a second to get used to it, and I don't know who I stole it from. I found this cool channel, and there was a guy, he was like a turtle guitar guy or something, and I loved it, and I watched all of them, and then I lost the channel. I don't know where they are. I even looked at my history. I can't find it. So here it is for you. All right, so say you're an E. You know, you're jamming on... right? Something like that. Whatever, you jam an E, try this. You throw a diminished arpeggio in. Now you can think of it as built off the 4th or the 9th or the flat 13 or the 7th, the major 7th, because it's all the same. It doesn't matter. If you don't know, our diminished arpeggios are just a group of minor thirds. Right? So if you played them like here, they just go up the neck in thirds. Now playing it there, you get that cool sound like the Charlie Parker or weird like outside sound. So you're playing E minor. You hear it when I go out? It's really cool. Like, that's the sound that people do. So in this case, so if we were playing here at the 12th, I'm going to show you how it goes. It'll be this. The 11, 13, no, 11, 14, sorry. Then 12, 15. And then I go one note per string and then 2 notes and then 1, you'll see. So the next string is 13. Then you have 11 on the G string, 14 on the G string, 13 on the G string, 11 on the E string. Did I say 13 on the G string? I meant B. And then 14. Definitely sounds like you're punching above your pay grade, and it's just a simple little hack. So if you're anything like me, what helped me out as I went in my little notebook of jams, of things that I work on. So I put the 5 shapes of the pentatonic, and then I mapped out all the diminished ones. And then this morning I was like, well, if you can use it over minor, you could probably use it over major too. And it's true, you can. And I was like, well, what notes is it playing? If you're playing minor, you're switching to the 4 or the 11, the 9, the flat 6 or 13, and the major 7. I said, I wonder what it's going to be in major. I go through it all. It's the exact same notes. It's weird. Well, it makes sense, right? Because it's a minor third away. So yeah, pretty cool. And I'm just trying to like play through them and see it in my head, try to be able to find it quicker, trying in different keys, just going back and forth. That's what I'm working on right now. And then trying to throw it into like my licks in the moment. Say I'm doing like a G to like a C. I'll do a G major pentatonic to a C major pentatonic. So I'd go to my handy book, be like, all right, on the second shape, I'd play it there. All right, so on the G, I'd play it here. And that's the C. The fifth. Nah, I'm not gonna work this out in front of you. That's like the next level, and I need to like do the first level first and try to get used to where the diminished arpeggio is for each of the 5 shapes of the pentatonic. I got the first one down. First shape, it's right here. So cool. Yeah, if you like this sort of thing, hit subscribe, give it a like, give me a comment, let me know that you're watching. And I hope you got something out of it. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.